We got the 2020 SCAT Pack 6.4 Benito's cars. Benito's cars. I don't know who the fuck Benito is, but he has to be changing his license plate cover. We're gonna give him a G exhaust license plate cover. If you guys want one, go to gexhaust.com. All right, we did a rear muffler over here today. We have Gio's spraying it down. Very simple stuff. These are the old mufflers. Gio, check those out. That we ripped off. He didn't want those old tips, so we replaced them with the double walled matte black tips. Those are 5-inch. Those look really good. Yeah, yo, awesome mod. Awesome mod you could do as soon as you get your car. It'll make it sound way more aggressive. Let's hear it. Also, we're franchising. gexhaust.com. More details. Check the links in the description below.